All right, it's Mr. G. We're here at Memorial High School, and I got a very special package today. Check this out. This is so cool. Okay, the guys over at Now You Know, also known as Poster Envy. Let me just show you over here. This is a YouTube channel that I subscribe to. They got great coverage on Tesla and vegan food, and the whole electric car industry as a whole. You know, Jesse and Zach and the whole crew over there, they do such a good job. Anyway, I spoke with them last week, and I said we have this electric car sitting here, and we have wall outlets and whatnot, and I'm on the plug share. Wouldn't it be nice if Teslas can come up here and just charge up? So they sent me a box. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. It's like an unboxing or something like that. I don't know. Let's just do it. All right, here we go. All right. Got the blade. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, paper so far. All right, oh, what's this? Uh-oh. All right. Dude. Whoa. All right. Okay, this is like the front panel, which then has like a little charger bar or something like that. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna put this over here. And then this has pieces. Okay, I don't know what these are. All right, we'll find out, I guess, right? Oh, dude! Look at this. That's supposed to be me. That's awesome. I guess they have a laser cutter and engraver. This is awesome. Wait, I think I have the glasses for it today. Let's see. Does that work? I don't know. All right, let's see what's going on here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Whoa, there's a t-shirt. Oh, awesome. Now you know. Ah, dope. This is such a cool thing. You guys are awesome. Whoa. Whoa. That's awesome. You guys have such a good show. It's like awesome. By the way, I'm on Patreon of Now You Know. And, you know, some people are like, oh, well, you're throwing your money away, giving away. Why would you give your money away? No. I'm contributing to a community. So someone could say, well, whatever. They don't need the money, this and that. No. There's more to it. I want to be a part of it. So I participate, and I'm on their Q&As, and I talk with them, and it's all part of the community. Plus, it's not that much money to do the Patreon. So it's a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. You're not going to miss it. And then look already, the benefit of sharing things in the community. Very cool. I'm going to wear that today. All right. These are awesome. These are totally going in my house. That's ridiculous. That's awesome. That's so funny. Okay, let's see. What is this? All right, foam. Oh, this is part of this. Okay, this is something. Let's see what this is. Oh, big cables. Look out. All right. I don't know what that part is. I think maybe that's the wall mount or something. I don't know. I saw Rich Rebuild put one of these on the wall. Whoa, look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay. They said it was damaged. Oh, here we go. The book. Yeah, we don't need that. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh, posters. Nice. Posters. All right. I'm going to check this out. Here, let's see what's... All right, we'll get to it. Dude, look at this. Tesla charger in the high school shop class. Like, we're on the cutting edge, baby. This is awesome. So we're gonna, this is great. We got the go-kart. We got the Lotus project. Got our welders and whatnot. We're gonna have a Tesla in here soon, hopefully. All right. So the reason they sent this to me is because it was useless to them because of the damage over here. But I think we could fix this. All right. So let's take a look.
A24 and X24 to the auditorium, please.
Oh,
Seniors.
I don't know if you know, but schools are still operating like it's the 1950s, and they blast out sound. I always wonder, why don't they just tweet you the information? It seems to work for everybody else. I don't know. All right. Okay, you got...
On the interruption, I need a custodian to the main office.
Whoa. Custodian, main office, get on it. It's serious. Okay, we seem to have damage in multiple spots here. Okay. Let's take a look here. What's this? Oh, screws to mounting on the wall. That's good. And let's look at how bad the damage is. Okay. All right. Whoa.
Seniors, make sure to come to your senior luncheon at 11:30. That's free outlet, free cake. I want to be your last time together.
Oh, that's serious.
11:30.
It's
free
so
food,
loud.
Free cake.
Okay, we got it. They're going to do another announcement any second now. All right, so seems here, no problem. This wire's cut. This wire's cut. You know, let's see here. We've got... Okay, that's just a really big cable. Actually, it's no bigger than, like... We have cables like this. You know, that's simple. That's just like a welding wire cable. You see? Or even this one. Look at the size of this cable. See, we got cables like that. And these are like the cables. See, this is for welding. And this guy plugs it in, but if I were to open this, you would see the same thing. And we got big cables over here. See? This is our electric car. Look at the size of the cables here. Huge cables with huge lugs. Look at the size of that. Look at that compared to my thumb. Look at that. You know? We got cables. No problem. No problem. Just gotta cut it, splice into it, and put a connector. You know? No problem. So let's see. So you got one, just one. This other stuff. Okay, the other one. Let's see. It looks like just maybe one or two are damaged. This other stuff, I don't really know what that is. Insulation? Interesting. Interesting. Use copper conductors only. Refer to instructions. Okay. Well, this looks good. And then this clip goes, this is the front panel. You see? And it just goes like that. And then I think you just mount it to the wall. And then let's see, this is what seems to be, this might be the mount. Let's see, yeah, this would go, yeah, that's exactly what it is. So this part goes on the wall, and then this part, these go in there, and then you pop out these guys and you connect your plug. See, my plan is, I mean, we could get the electricians to do this, but I think you can just do it by plugging into this plug here. And this is supposed to be, I think, 50 amps. Yeah. This one's up to 50 amps, which I think will be enough. And this one, this is 100 amps going to the welder. And then what would be nice is if we could mount it here or on the outside. Let's see. It's a nice day today. Okay, let's see. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? All right. So now imagine it was sitting on the wall right there, and then this spot here is 24-hour no parking. But if we put Tesla charging right here, maybe people would come here and charge. And then this way we would encourage some partnerships and inspiration for the students, because they see cars charging up. That's the future right there. Just so you know, one of our former students is now employed at the Tesla dealership in Paramus, New Jersey. And we've been building electric cars here for a very long time now, about 10 years. This was done in 2009, and this one is an ongoing project. And the motor's back here. I don't know if you could see this, but that's the motor. And we also did a veggie diesel car, because that was popular for a bit. I still think it's totally viable solution for diesel cars is to run on vegetable oil. But I'm not sure it's even popular right now. I don't know, I think it's great. It's a great solution. Lots of power. And it's almost free. But yeah, so basically that's what's going on. It'd be cool, I guess, to mount it here would be good. Now, how long is that cable? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right. It's a bit of a long video, but you get to see what's going on here. Okay, I'm not sure what these parts are. Some sort of metal plate. Support bracket. Okay. Maybe I get the electricians to install this. I don't even have to do anything. Let's put the cover back. Again, with the sound. The blasting speaker. All right, let's carry this whole thing out. Okay. Oops. All right, it's a bit crowded in here. It's the end of the year. I don't know if you guys know what it's like at the end of the year in a high school. Students don't really show up. That drawing's from the beginning of the year. I can't believe this year flew. It flew by, people. Let's get somebody to help me. How you doing? Do me a favor. Hold this. Yeah, perfect.
Is it garbage?
No.
Oh.
Not garbage. Okay, go to the street. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Perfecto. Okay, wait. So, I see. They have to pull in the driveway, I think, because I'm at the end here. Let's see. Yeah. Maybe not this one. But we're gonna have to. They'll have to pull in the driveway.
Oh, yeah,
and then plug in. I'll put a little sign they can plug in, and then you can charge up. Yeah, this is for the Tesla. Do you know the Tesla?
Oh yeah.
Do you know it? This is the new stuff.
Yeah.
You gonna get one? You gonna get a Tesla?
No.
Electric, no gasoline.
No gas, yeah.
Yeah, no gasoline. All right, amigo. All right, so I think that wraps it up. Hey, Duarte. ¿Qué pasa, man? Look, Angel, come here. Check this out. Look. So, all right. So basically, yeah. Imagine if we had it right here, or actually on the inside would be good. Look, this is a Tesla charger, guys. What do you think? Well, it's
more simple than I expected.
well, it's just a power cord. The charger's on board. This is just like, so imagine if it was like a Tesla charging area. It's a destination, right? The car pulls in, and then they can charge up anytime they want. Pretty cool, right? You like that? The only problem is I have to fix this.
Oh,
Yeah. And do you know any staff members that have a Tesla? No? Okay. All right. Well, we'll get there. All right. What period is it now? Second period. All right. I gotta go teach something. Okay. All right. Thanks for tuning in and watching that. I know it's a slow-moving, mosey on through video, but we're just getting started here. Plus, I'm half awake. It's, you know, you gotta wake up at 5:30 a.m. to be a teacher. It's crazy. Okay, thanks for tuning in. And guys that now you know, thank you so much. And if you are not subscribing or checking out, now you know you're missing out. That and also Rich Rebuilds. That guy's really funny. It's awesome. And I also like Gali from Hyperchange. He covers the Tesla stock. All right. Talk to you soon. Thanks. See you.